Welcome to our comprehensive guide comparing some of the top cordless drill sets on the market today. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting your home improvement journey, choosing the right cordless drill can make all the difference in your projects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and be sure to share it with friends or family who might benefit from this information. First up, we have the DeWalt 20 volts max cordless drill and ImpactDriver combo kit. This powerhouse set comes with 2 lithium-ion batteries and a charger, ensuring you always have power when you need it. With its 2-speed transmission and high-performance motor, the DCD 771 drill can handle a wide range of applications, while its compact and lightweight design makes it perfect for tight spaces. Next, let's take a look at the Black+Decker 20 volts max POWERECONNECT cordless drill/driver. This kit comes with a versatile 30-piece set, including bits and accessories for all your drilling and driving needs. The compact design and soft grip handle make it comfortable to use, while the 24-position clutch prevents stripping and overdriving screws, giving you added control. Moving on, we have the Avid Power 20 volts max lithium-ion cordless drill set. What sets this drill apart is its real-time battery level display, allowing you to easily monitor the remaining charge. With its 15+1 position clutch and ergonomic design, this drill provides precise control and comfort, making it ideal for long hours of use. Now, let's explore the Black+Decker 20 volts max drill and home toolkit. This comprehensive set includes 68 hand tools and accessories, perfect for a variety of home projects. The cordless design offers easy portability, while the 11-position clutch prevents stripping and overdriving screws, giving you peace of mind with every use. For those who want to make a statement while getting the job done, there's the Workpro cordless 20 volts lithium-ion drill driver set. Not only does this set come in a stylish pink color, but it also supports a great cause. With every purchase, a minimum donation is made to Helping Women Now. But don't let its looks fool you. This drill is packed with power and features, including a 21+1 torque adjustment and LED light for added safety. If you're looking for something compact yet powerful, the Workpro cordless drill driver kit might be the perfect fit. With its lightweight design and ergonomic handle, this drill is easy to maneuver and comfortable to use for extended periods. Plus, with its 18+1 clutch and 2 variable speed settings, you'll have the precision and control you need for any project. Last but not least, we have the BIELMEIER 20 volts max cordless drill set. This kit comes with a 64+1 position clutch and variable speed settings, giving you precise control over your drilling and driving tasks. The ergonomic design and LED light make it easy to work in dark areas, while the included accessories ensure you have everything you need to get started right away. And now, let's dive into the Craftsman V20 Max Cordless Drill and ImpactDriver Combo Kit. This kit boasts a powerful motor providing 280 UWO of power for demanding drilling and fastening tasks. With its 2-speed gearbox and max torque of 1,460 pounds, the CMC K200 C2M is built to tackle heavy-duty projects with ease. Plus, its compact design and contoured-over molded handles make working in tight spaces more comfortable than ever. So there you have it, a detailed comparison of some of the top cordless drill sets available today. Whether you prioritize power, versatility, or style, there's a drill set out there to suit your needs. Happy drilling!